My name is Mikkel Jensen. I am from Denmark. I come from Aalborg University, and I'm visiting here with two of my fellow students to do my final thesis about gas holder sites and transformation of post-industrial sites. The competition that National Grid had inspired us to look into specific sites around the UK, large structures that are now redundant. So the thesis is on the transformation of these sites and how they actually relate to the context and the community that they're set in. We've been given a lot of good information about both how the sites used to be when they were active and also how you go about the process of dismantling all of these structures and then taking care of them to make sure that future use is possible on these areas. People were super friendly and answered a lot of the questions we've had so far, which we can now take back home with us and use that to further develop our project and our design. We've learned a lot about how they actually treat each of these sites with a lot of respect and how they keep all the aspects and the different interests from parties with both heritage interests but also the future developers and the neighborhood's interests when they do these kind of jobs on site. Well, it's been very interesting seeing these sites up close, especially the brownfields, because we have brownfields in Denmark and in Scandinavia, but we do not have the same extent of gas holder industries that you see here in Britain, especially large structures that used to hold all this gas inside them. It's been really interesting to get a close-up perspective on how they actually function, and the sheer size of them is something that we couldn't really imagine just sitting back home in Denmark, to actually get an idea of how much of an impact it must have had to have these towering over the small neighborhoods that they've been right next to for so long.